Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineering General Knowledge YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe, comment, share and press the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Guys, as I talked on the previous tutorials, Sketchup Pro is a design softwares used in civil engineering and architectural. It's a comprehensive softwares and easy softwares like AutoCAD 2D and 3D, Revit, architecture, Civil 3D Max, and this is a SketchUp. This SketchUp Pro is very useful softwares. We can module 2D, 3D, interior and exterior designing, modeling in this program. Guys, as I mentioned in the previous tutorials, in the SketchUp Pro main page, we can 3 axes. Guys, that red color is the x-axis and the green color is the y-axis and the blue is z-axis. Guys, guys, for the drawing of 2D shape, we must select top view. This is the front view, this is the right view, this is the back, this is the left, and this is the isometric drawing. For the 2D drawing, we have to select the top view. Now it is the top view selection. This is the tape measurement tool. Guys, we have to select some reference lines, x and y lines like this. Guys, we can hide this axis from here, view, uncheck the axis. Guys, now we can model our drawing. For example, I just want to draw a simple floor plan from here. Guys, our unit is centimeter. We can take this tape measurement tool. From here I can drag to the left side 800 centimeter and the top 1000 centimeter. We can choose our rectangle and we can erase this extra lines. Guys, now this is our shape. For example, I just want to explain a very simple methods for the drawing this floor plans, and will convert this 2D into 3D in the simple way. Guys, this is offset tool. This is a very useful tools. Guys, want to use 30 centimeter external walls thickness, enter. Now this is 30 centimeter. Just want to see this. Guys, this is 30 centimeter all sides. See, this side also 30 centimeter, this side also 30 centimeter. You can see, select one edge and hover over other edge, you can see the dimension. Guys, we can choose this tool. This is the middle point. See, 400. We can choose our interior wall into 10 centimeter. Choose the measure tool, measure, tape measure. This is 10 centimeter thickness of the wall, internal wall. Guys, we can choose rectangle or just yes, line tool, also measure tape tool. Want to take this half. Now 10 centimeter this side and 10 centimeter into left side wall thickness. I can select and erase this middle line. This is now I choose the rectangle tool and select this. See guys, this is our room. This is again for the second one. Can use this one. Now extra line, we will erase the extra lines here, from here, from here, from here. Yes guys, this is also extra line, this is also extra line. We should erase it here also, and this one here also. Guys, want to provide some window, this is 30 centimeter. We can take middle point 15 centimeter, and from here we can take a 5 here and 5 centimeter bottom. We can use a large window here. We can take measurement tool. From here we select 500. Just an example guys. I want to build a window from here, opening window. See guys, the dimensions. Tape measurement tool, we can choose 200 centimeter. We can take it 150. Again this changes. Yes guys, we can use the line tool and finally draw the window shape. Guys, this is our window. Now we can erase this middle line. This is no need guys. We can erase this extra lines also. Guys, this is our window. Guys, same window I want to copy it from here and paste it here. Guys, one simple method for this, you can select all entire shape and will select move. Press the control and click and drag it here and click here. Guys, we can select rotate tool. From here we can rotate it to any angle. Guys, this is 90 degree. It is okay. We can again use the move tool. We'll take this and move it here. Guys, this is the very simple. And if you want to copy multiple, press again the control and move it here in the same position in this direction also. Guys, again you want to provide a window to this side, can select all this shape, window shape, and press the move and press the control and click. You can paste anywhere. Guys, this is our window. Guys, want to make a door from here, door opening. Guys, again use this tool. This make it this 20 centimeter. From here 120 door opening size. Guys, again use line tool for door opening. Guys, this is our door. Guys, you choose the erase tool and erase this portion. This is our opening side for the door. Guys, again we want to build another door to this room. We use the tape measurement tool. Select here this side. We can take 20 centimeter, and from here 120 centimeter or 100 or 1 meters wide door. Again use the line tool and cut door size and erase the extra lines. Guys, this is our second door. Guys, I want to extend this line here. Guys, I will here transfer this line, extend it. Guys, see guys, we can use erase tool here, guys, and this erase this portion and this portion. Guys, we can use as a whole this portion. We can also copy and paste. For example, want to click entire shape and press Ctrl and move tool. Want to press Ctrl and click here. Want to here this. Guys, I want to again this shape, this window, want to for simplicity and saving the time. I want to just, this is the just example to understand, and shape this. Yes guys, this is again guys, I want to provide another door here. Yeah, choose this tool, tape measurement tool. From here 30 centimeter, from here guys 120. I will use pen tool for outlining the door. This again use the erase tool, extra lines. Guys, this is our door from here. Guys, I can select this door and move it, copy and paste to this portion also. Guys, I want to make a parking just for a, it is an example. I want to just want to illustrate this example. I want to make a car parking from here. Guys, you choose the this tool here and this tool. Want to take a line tool, select here and erase this portion. Guys, I want to make a car parking here. Guys, the video is going too long. I want to stop here, and this in the next tutorial I want to continue the dimensioning and other modeling of 3D modeling in the next tutorial. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Please subscribe, share, comments, and press the bell icon. Thank you.